Hi, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day so far. Today we are unboxing Cupid's Secrets. Cupid Secrets. This is a brand new adult subscription box to the channel. Not brand new to me. This is a fun one because this one is fully customized to exactly what you need. Like full on, I'm gonna get into the quiz in a second, but this is an adult unboxing. This is an age restricted video. If you are under 18, you need to skedaddle on out of here. The things that are in this box are toys. But you know what this box does a really good job of? It's a little bit more of these kinds of toys. Not a lot of boxes have very much in the sector, the genre of BDSM, and if they do, it's very light. It's very misunderstood or basic, you know, but this box kind of, you'll be surprised. So we're gonna dig into this. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chrissy Harless. I used to do only subscription boxes on the channel, and then COVID hit and we don't have disposable income for that anymore. But I think I think this is a generational thing, maybe right now. Tell me if I'm wrong, but the millennial in me is, I'm out here to have fun. And I've also been married for a few years. Also, when do we get to go to a store together? We can't. Ordering just basically on the internet without like sight unseen. That's kind of boring, but this kind of like instills a little bit of excitement because we got to sit there and take the quiz together. So how it works out, it's fully customized to you. You start off by selecting what size toy you're into, small, medium, or large. You jump straight into it with this quiz. Then it asks your experience level between like nothing, none at all, to very, I think it was can't live without it. Oh, I think you're a little too high. I am probably a little too high for this too, but let's lower you. That's better. Then you could choose if you want one box or if you want to prepay for like, it's kind of a subscription. You could prepay for a set number of boxes. I believe you get a discount when you prepay as opposed to doing a one-off. And then you have to select your box. So there's 6 different boxes: solo female, solo male, gay couple, lesbian couple, straight couple, and regular just lingerie. The price of your box is fully dependent on how you answer these questions. How many toys do you want in the box? You can select anywhere between 2 and 10. So obviously like a male solo box is probably going to be with 2 toys is probably going to be the cheapest, whereas a couple box with 10 toys would probably be the most expensive. The average box is 6 items for 50 bucks. To kind of give you some context, they might have given me a discount code. I will put that, I'll ask them regardless, and no shame. I'll put all their information down below. Pinned comment, probably description box. Although they do have an entire store, YouTube might not let me do that. It's gonna be down in the pinned comment, okay? You answer questions about the types of toys you're into, and there's ones you've never even considered, the type of play you're into, and probably some of those that even if you're very well experienced that you haven't considered. You put in your email address and I think that's it. They custom curate the box specifically for you. No repeats, no duplicates ever, unless you like changed your name, your address, your email or whatever in the future. It would be pretty hard to keep track of, but as long as you had like the same account, yeah, you wouldn't get like any duplicates ever in the future. So this, I went ham on mine. Everything in life, I'm pretty YOLO. I've had some pretty fun experiences in life doing that. So everything in this box might be a little bit spicier than your average box, but you can definitely tone down the spice if this is too much for you. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so first up, let's go with the leather item. This is, oh, okay. What we have here is a faux leather collar, very adjustable, with an extra little pad to keep it from pinching your neck if you have it on like the longest one, you know. This is attached to, and you can detach it, but the collar is attached to these wrist cuffs, or you could use them as ankle cuffs. If you're flexible enough, you could definitely use these as ankle cuffs, but it is detachable, so you don't have to use them together either, and you can also tighten it up and loosen it up. Very adjustable right there. Oh, that is fun. Let's go into this silly thing next. So there's a whole slew of condoms. This one's the straight couples box because that's the relationship that I'm in. I'll definitely do other boxes on the channel though, so that you can see the wide range that they have. We could have some discussions in the comments, but it's probably safe to assume that most people might actually need or be using condoms, and these ones are silly. It's just that there was no question that asked if we were still locked and loaded, and my husband did have a vasectomy. They are all the same. I will not be his father. That is silly. Let's go for the other thing that was like super obvious at the top is this rope. I will say if you are brand spanking new to any sort of rope play, I would suggest looking up some safety videos. You'll also look up some fun ways that you can tie it and that you can use it, and by default you'll learn how to use it and also the safety tips and stuff that come along with it. But I really like this color. I love this. It's super soft as well, like very brushed cotton kind of a feel. Okay, I think I should save the two more exciting things for the end. So next up we have a couple of candles. This is a wax play candle in red, which is fun for a few reasons, but some people do really like, and if you are part of that community, then you are somebody that knows. And then they also sent over this black one. It melts down really fast. So far, this box has a pretty wide variety of things in it. Well, it does fall in line a lot with that BDSM as well. All right, so the last two items, this one, holy smokes, that was a lot heavier than I was expecting. This is heavy as all hell. It's a plug. It's a stainless steel heavy. I can't even, I gotta weigh it. Reporting back, 9.5 ounces. This thing is massive. And if you're looking at this like this isn't the right size for you, I think that's part of the questionnaire. That was the first question, small, medium, or large. If you would prefer smaller or larger than this, that is definitely an option, because I went middle of the road on that one. And then the last item in here, this one is fun. I wonder how many people could guess it. Well, I feel like I just gave it away there, but it comes in its own bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, I have 6 items. This is so much fun. It's very soft, but quite whippy leather. It's a flogger. It's black. It's comfortable. The handle is comfortable. It's got good weight to it. It doesn't look like it would be too sharp. Oh my gosh, this is such a fun box. Wasn't that such a different unboxing than any of the other adult boxes that we've had in the past? It's just, I feel like they get it a lot more. And again, I don't know if it's my age group. I don't know if people that are younger than the millennial generation are really Gen Zs. If y'all are experimental yet, and I'm not sure if, I'm always surprised at the generations before me. X, probably. Boomer, I'm not so sure. That is a really fun one. If I have a coupon code, which I'm definitely going to ask them for, I'll put it down below. I'll put all their information down below. It might be an affiliate link. I'm honestly not sure. This was such a fun little box. If you want to see more of these, consider hitting subscribe before you leave. I truly appreciate you all being here. A huge shout out to all my patrons for making videos like this possible. I love you all so damn much. I'll see you next time. Bye.